Namaste, good morning. This is our third period English. As per our routine, Hindi and Maths we have done, and now this is the time for English. Children, yesterday we have started the revision of English A vowel words. As I told yesterday that some new students has come in our group, that's why I have started the revision work. It will be beneficial for you also, children. Yesterday I have taught you A vowel words, and today we will do some exercises of A vowel words. Let's see here. Question number 1. Fill with correct letter. This exercise belongs to A vowel words. Fill with correct letter. Pictures I am drawing here, and these pictures are belongs to A vowel words. So recognize the picture and then complete the word. Okay. See, what is this, children? Are you recognizing? Yes, I know that you all are recognizing that what is this. You have to complete this. After completing the picture, you will understand very easily that what is this. What ma'am is drawing. What is this, children? I will not say. You have to complete. See. You all are using now this one. What is this, children? See it properly, then you can understand. This is a lad. What is this? This is a lad. Now you have to complete. So now come on first. This is a cat. And what is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. You will write here A. This is a fan, and the spelling of fan is F-A-N, fan. As I said earlier that this exercise belongs to A vowel words, and first letter and last letter is already written here. So it is very easy to understand that you can apply your mind also that you have to fill only second letter. So it is very to write also. This is a hat, and the spelling of hat is H-A-T, hat. B-A-G, bag. This is a cap. So spelling of cap is C-A-P, cat. And this is a lad, L-A-D, lad. Okay, children? Again I am saying, children, that in every subject, if you have to do the exercise, then it is very necessary to remember the spellings. Without spelling, you can't do any exercises. Now, this one I am doing for you. Rearrange the A vowel words in correct form. Our topic is A vowel words, so all exercises are belongs to A vowel words. Now, this is a tree, and inside the tree we will write different types of words of A vowel words. Okay. A, T, B, T, A, R D A M G A B N A F N A M and one more A G T. So now you can see, children, these are the unscramble. These are the unscramble, means ulta pulta. Yesterday same thing we have done in maths, in number names, and this one again we are going to do in the English. What is this? A T B. You have to arrange. How? Look it. First you try with all the letters. A T B already we have done. This is not a word. T A B. T A B is also a word. B A T. It is also a word. But B A T, bat, you are well known with bat. B A T, bat. Bat means balla. T A R, no. A R T, no. A T R, no. R A T, rat. Yes, this is a word. Rat means chooha. D A M, no. Dam is also a word, but in UKG you have to understand very well known words. Okay. A D M, no. M A D, yes, M A D. It is given in your book also. It is given in your book also. D A M, if you will write, it is also correct. Okay. T A B, if you will write T A B, it is also correct. G A B, A G B, no, this is not a word. B A G, yes, this is a word. B A G, bag. Bag means thala. N A F, no, this is not a word. A N F, no. F A N, yes, of course. F A N, fan is a word. Fan means pankha. N A M, is it a word? No. A N M, no. A M N, no. M A N. We will try to make the words with every letter because only 3 letters are here. So we will try with every letters that if in which way correct word will be formed. Okay, 3 letters are here. तो आपको करना क्या है? आपको हर एक लेटर के साथ आपको वर्ड बना करके देखना है कि ये एक प्रॉपर वर्ड बन रहा है नहीं, जो मैम ने पढ़ाया है ए वॉवेल वर्ड्स में, अगर वो बन रहा है तो आपको ऑफ कोर्स आपको लिख देना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. A G T, is it a word, children? No, this is not a word. G A T, no. T A G, tag. Yes, of course, T A G, tag. टैग क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? मैं इसको हिंदी में समझा रही हूँ. जब आप कभी भी कोई ड्रेस खरीदते हो ना अपने लिए, आइदर या ड्रेस क्या कुछ भी अगर आप खरीदते हो ना, तो उस पे हमारा एक प्राइस टैग होता है. मतलब एक छोटा सा एक पेपर का वो होता है, उसमें स्लिप लगा होता है उस कपड़े में जिसपे हमारा प्राइस लिखा होता है. उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? टैग. उस पे सारा डिटेलिंग होता है उस कपड़े के बारे में, उस सामान के बारे में पूरी डिटेलिंग उसकी उसी पे लिखी हुई होती है. उसी को हम टैग बोलते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम? एंड one question, this is for you, this is the activity for you children. Draw any 2 A vowel words pictures and color it. What you have to do? You have to draw 2 pictures of A vowel words and you have to color it properly. Okay. And one more you have to do, write the rhyming words. Write the rhyming words. Rhyming words of given A vowel words. One word I will write here, then according to that word you have to write another word. Okay. Let's see here. A. See here. I am trying that in every picture, every question, every exercise, maximum number of pictures I am drawing because with pictures children understand very easily and with enjoy, with a lots of fun. Okay, am I right, children? Here you can see this is a 80 word. This is a 80 word. So you have to write 80 words in every boxes. How? CAT cat, RAT rat, MAT mat, HAT hat. This is a rhyming words. Why? Because 80 is very common. 80 both are common because 80 are in every words. Okay, this is a rhyming word. Again we will do another A vowel words. You have to write here also, children. Learn the words, beta. In every subject you have to learn. You have to remember TAP. You can see A is common, na? A is also in 80, AP. Here also A is also here, na? So what you have to do? You have to write words according to related to AP. What? How? TAP tab. What will you write? MAP map, CAP cap. Again you can see that AP are very common. AP it is in every words. AP is in every words. 80 is common. 80 are common here. AP are common here. So in this way you have to complete this exercise. You can see here this is 80 words. This is AP. But these all are A vowel words. AN, AD, AG, AM. Okay, you have to write the rhyming words. Rhyming words means ऐसा word आपको लिखना है जिसमें ये लास्ट का जो दोनों है ना लेटर्स, ये आपके हर एक वर्ड में आएगा, जैसा कि मैंने आपको यहाँ पे करके भी बताया है. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, मैं आपको एक चीज और बता रही हूँ. मैंने उस दिन भी इसको करवाया था. दैट डे ऑल्सो आई हैव सीन कि सम स्टूडेंट्स हैज डन रॉन्ग. विच वर्ड? दिस इज अ AM, A vowel word. Of course it is A vowel words, but the last two letters are AM. You can see in every words there are so many types of words. AT, AP, AG, AN, AD. So you can see here this is AM word. HAM, and then you have to write only one word is here also. JAM, jam. Are you eating jam? Do you like to eat jam? Yes, of course, most of the children, they like to eat jam with bread, with chapati. Okay. In this way, children, you have to complete all the exercises, and please, please, please try to learn the spellings and try to learn the exercises yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.